Hey guys, so today I'm going to refresh my braids. Before we get started, I noticed in my analytics that a lot of y'all are not subscribed. Like, what's up with that? Please help me out, y'all. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Tell your friends to get with my friends, and we can be friends. All right? Is that all right with you? Go ahead, subscribe, and let's get into this. I went to the beauty supply store and I got some beads to add to my hair. So I added the beads and the other ornaments. And look at my baby girl. She is trying to help me. It's so cute. All right, let's get started. When it's time for me to refresh my braids, that often means that my scalp is really dirty as well. So I start by scratching my scalp. I know some people are against this, but I scratch my scalp. It feels amazing. After I lift up all that dry scalp, I use an astringent. Mine of choice is Sea Breeze. And what this will do is to get that tingling going and help you to go ahead and pre-cleanse your hair before you actually shampoo it. So this also feels really good, and if you have not tried it, make sure you try it. After this pre-shampoo, my scalp looks and feels great, and so now I'm ready to shampoo it. I am using my mister to drench my scalp. I'm not only doing this for the camera, but for life. Because if you've ever soaked your braids, you know that it takes forever to dry. So this is how I prevent drenching the full length of the braids. And so I just focus on my scalp. I do cleanse my hair down the length of the braids as well, but I just focus more so on the scalp. This is the shampoo and conditioner that I'm currently using. I love it. I've loved Black Vanilla for quite some time now. Once I feel like my scalp is saturated with the shampoo, I take a clean towel and I add hot water to it. By the time it reaches my scalp, the water is warm. So I use this clean water to rinse off all of the shampoo that I've added to my scalp. I just do the same thing I did with the shampoo. I follow those same steps with the conditioner. And I only shampoo and condition once when my hair is braided. In addition to applying the conditioner to my scalp, I apply it down the length of the braids as well because my hair is in there and I want my natural hair to get conditioned even though it's in a protective style. I use my hot towel to get the conditioner off of the braids. Now we're getting into styling, so I'm going to apply my Joyfully Natural Oil to my scalp and I will massage that through. Just like I do on my natural hair, I add a moisturizer, and honestly, I use this one because it's not my favorite. I don't particularly like the smell, and I don't think that it gives my natural hair the curl that I really want. So I just use it to moisturize my hair, and I seal in that moisture with more of my Joyfully Natural Oil. To touch up the root area, I'm doing this very similar to what you do when you are retwisting locks. I take a little gel or whatever product that you want to use and I just kind of coil the hair at the scalp. You don't want to do this too tight. You don't want to break your hair off at the root. I add a clip to it to hold it in place, and then I do this all throughout my hair. I style my edges and I wrap everything up, give it time to dry. And now we have the final result. It looks so much better now, y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like it, leave your comments down below, and I will talk to y'all soon. Bye.